Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. Today's video is just going to be a 5-minute makeup challenge and then a summer simple glowy makeup look with a summer outfit and hair tutorial, whatever it be. But yeah, that's just today's video, and if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep watching.
That you won't forget, no, baby.
I am all dressed, ready. I have my little accessories on. This is how my hair came out, and I have my little bag with, I put the glasses right here on purpose so when I take photos it's like, ooh, cute. Thank you guys for watching till the end of the video. This is just the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like makeup related videos, definitely like this video. I know I slowed down on them just because I'm like, I'm not that good at makeup. Who's gonna want to watch my makeup videos? But I hope you guys like and enjoy, and tell me if you want to see more like fashion outfit inspired videos too, because I can do that too. But without further ado, I'll just end the video. See you guys next time. Bye.